So I want to make a video real quick about open carry of a Pepperball gun. Like the legality of it is going to be like different in every state. I'm open carrying mine right now. I got it in a Condor Tornado holster. You got to have a retention system if you're going to do it, because if you don't have a retention system, like, it's going to fall out. You know, it's if you don't have a retention system on your holster, it's not your pistol, it's our pistol. It's going to fall out. So you have to have a retention system. And this isn't a pistol, it's a launcher, but the same principle still applies. Even though it's a launcher, it's the same thing. And the reason I use the Condor Tornado and I don't use the Kydex stuff, which I wish I could, doesn't accommodate a flashlight. So I wish I could use a Kydex holster for the Sabre launcher, but if I did, it wouldn't fit the flashlight. I like running an Olight Baldr S Mini on every single one that I have, so that's why I don't do that. I've been out here in the jungle and stuff, really open carrying it, walking around with it, all that, and it doesn't, you know, the main thing that people ask me about, they're like, why is your gun yellow? And I'm like, no, it's not a gun, it's a launcher. But if you're in a state where open carry is already legal, then you 100% could do this, and there's no, like, nobody's gonna freak out or anything. Yeah, you can definitely use it wherever, if you have the right holster. And the Condor Tornado is 100% what I recommend for that. So yeah, guys, that's what I recommend, the Condor Tornado. Like I said, and you can 100% carry this thing around wherever you need it. If you're, you know, a convicted felon, or if you have some other reason why you want to carry Pepperball, you can open carry it. And I know it's not like, you know, a lot of people are trying to, why can't we make Pepperball smaller? Really, you just gotta realize that that's one of the downsides of this tool, is you're not gonna get, you just have to come to grips with the fact that this is one of the downsides of this tool, is like, it's not an open carry type, it's not a concealed carry type tool, really. And so I know you have people trying to make a more concealable Pepperball thing, but I would just open carry it if you can legally. Personally, that's as always, if you like this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell icon, all that good stuff. I'll see you guys in the next one. Jordan Jareb signing off. I got him on camera.